good morning, Internet. Out here on a Wednesday ride, completely solo. Everyone is afraid of their motorcycles. Everyone's allergic to their motorcycles. Everyone would rather work. I think that's sad. Oh, doves. Look, Rory, you didn't have to go to Arizona. They're right here. So I don't know exactly where I'm going, what I'm doing. I do know that there's freaking, you can't see them, but they're like helicopters lifting off and taking off right there out of the wash. But anyway, I never ride solo, but I had to freaking get out. I had to ride. It's been too freaking long. Just out here goofing around. Just to ride. This looks familiar. So we're actually going to be doing something really freaking cool here in about a week and a half. I got 5 guys total from the club. We're going out to near Temecula, little town Anza, going to Moto Ventures to do trials school. So I'm really freaking excited. I've been waiting for a long time to ride a trials bike, try trials, and it's going to be cool to have like big group of the guys out there and laughing at each other and competing and having fun. So look forward to that video. I'm really looking forward to it. Should be pretty sweet. Yep, right here. Police helicopter. I promise I'm not hurting anybody. Can't be said. Can't be said for those guys. That looked like a single track. Maybe not. It's feeling a little sketchy here. Those are some really tall Karens. That one got me. Freaking Breaking Bad over here. So my bike is a 2018 KTM 350 EXC-F. I got it new, so 0 hours, 0 miles, and I'm getting ready to break 120 hours on it. I think it's about 3,000 miles or something like that, so got a pretty good idea on how the bike performs, you know, history, stuff like that. I can tell you that there's been really no issues with the motorcycle. So I ride probably 90% dirt on this thing. I have other bikes for the street, so I don't want to waste my hours riding this thing on the street, so I try to avoid it as much as possible. Anyway, so I've done all my own maintenance. I cracked the valves, chopped the oil at hour 1, hour 15, hour 30, and then I think after hour 30 I just went to do oil changes every 15 hours and valve checks every 30 hours. The book says 30 hours, but I was just curious, you know, everybody talks about like what a nightmare these things are, and you have to maintain them and check all the valves and adjust the valves and all that stuff, and I could tell you 120 hours, you know, I ring the thing out to the best of my ability, and I have yet to adjust the valves. They are right at the top of spec, so I'm guessing this next valve check I'm going to do for my 120 hour mark, I may have to change the shims a bit, but up to 120 hours, no valve check or no valve adjustments. So if that's something that's like holding you back on getting this over something else, pull the trigger on this, man, because the valve checks aren't that difficult. I haven't had to adjust them. I mean, it's really reliable. Yeah, I would just absolutely pull the trigger on this thing. I freaking love it. And I'm pretty abusive on it. You know, I don't ride fast, but I slog this thing through some nastiness and drop it and kick it and roll it down hills and ride it like garbage because I don't know what I'm doing. And it's forgiving. It lets me do it. It lets me get away with it. That's one thing that I like about the 350 over the 500 is you can make little mistakes with the throttle on the 350, and the bike will make up for what you're doing. It's not going to loop out or kick you off or anything like that, where the 500, it might get out from underneath you. Oh, it's all nice and cool down here. That's something that motorcycle riders know about moving through their environment, that someone that's only ever driven a car or truck or whatever, they really don't have an idea. Like moving through the cool spots of the forest, or even in the city, like driving through a neighborhood that has like a bunch of sprinklers on and stuff, you can feel that cool air that which shifts in the air temperature. Is pretty cool. I've always loved it. So as far as mods go with this bike, performance mods, I've done a FMF pipe, the JD tuner, I got the KTM Husky.com throttle tube. I think that's pretty much it as far as mods go. For performance anyway. Oh, I did go down a tooth on the countershaft sprocket, which is pretty cool. I like that. Someone was asking me about these bars. So there's a little company in Colorado that make these. They're called Highway Dirt Bikes, highwaydirtbikes.com, and they've got these like cool like modular dashes, and the bar ends are threaded in. So they send you the tap to tap your bars, and then they actually bolt in to the handlebars instead of like one of those little expansion things. So they're freaking stout. If you watch any of these videos, you know they can take a freaking abuse. Something in my eyeballs. Whoa, hey there, dear. Little baby does. I think llama went down. Oh, you bailed off the hill, huh? Man, crazy freaking creatures. They're always out to get me, these deer. So, other protection stuff. I've got the Enduro Engineering skid plate. Also pretty freaking good. I run the Wolfman E12 saddlebags and the Wolfman fender bag. Once you go saddlebag, man, you'll never freaking go back. It's so nice not having any of that weight on your body. All I have on my body is a Camelback that is just a hydration bladder. There's no other pockets for anything else. And the good old fanny pack. And that's mainly so I can carry around a battery pack that runs this GoPro forever. Oh, the last time I went to check my valves, I was pretty sure I was gonna have to adjust them. So I did get the Dirt Tricks cam chain tensioner, but I didn't have to adjust them, but I threw that thing in there anyway. I think that was like hour 90 when I did that. I've also got the Enduro Engineering fender eliminator. One thing that I have though is I'm still running the stock blinkers. So the OEM indicators, I left the front entirely alone, and I just drilled holes in the little undertail thing for the OEM ones, and those things are indestructible. Like, yeah, they don't look cool, but indicators on a dirt bike are never gonna look cool. So save yourself the 20 bucks, keep them, and do your best to break them. I've bent my license plate before breaking those things. And this bike spends a lot of time on the ground. All the trees are starting to change color. Missed that color shift in Utah, man. But this is pretty good. Alright guys, I think that's about a wrap for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you found some valuable information if you needed it. If you have any questions about the KTM 350 EXC-F, leave a comment. I will get back to you, or shoot me an email at brokenenduro@gmail.com, or you can hit us up. The club's Instagram is Broken Enduro. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, blah 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 blah. Hope you guys like it. Later. Whoa! Another one of those freaking owls.